Hi, my name's Trisha and I live here in Jackson, California. I just want to share with you my experience with Energy Savings California and dealing with Virgil. I have an old barn here. It's at least 50, maybe even 75 years old, and I needed 14 windows replaced upstairs, the second story of the barn. And as I said before, it's an old barn. So the windows I had, the pre-existing windows, were single pane, no insulation, horrible windows. And so I was looking for windows that obviously would save me energy-wise, but obviously, look really good. And so what I searched for and what I ended up finding was the best. It really was, and it is. And so 14 windows went in one day, and the craftsmanship was excellent. The workers, Dave and his crew, came in a matter of 8 to 10 hours and removed first 14 windows, and then installed 14 beautiful mill guard windows. And I can't tell you how completely satisfied I am with the job. Virgil was wonderful, no problems at all. I'm really happy with all of the windows, and I can't wait until winter, because now that I have double pane windows, it should make a huge difference. So just wanted to let you know.